today I'm going to show you how the CYBERTAKE S2 Pro works for my third box Canopy camper. So I was just in the market for a portable AC unit just to take either the chill or the hot air out of my camper for sleeping comfort. And CYBERTAKE just happened to reach out to me too for a review. So now I'm having this unit. I'm going to testing out the heating function, the cooling function, and I want to show you the temperature curve of the heating and cooling with that in my Canopy camper made by Dirtbox Overland, so that you have an idea whether this unit would perform the way you wanted it or not. So see, I have it mounted duct through the port of my sidewall of my door, and the hot air should be coming out, and the condensation tube goes into the corner there, which is wide open. And we'll see, I have a thermostat right there, and then one on the second floor at the end of the bed. I'm going to plot the temperature curve. Hopefully you can see the temperature drop profile once I turn this on. I could have another duct host right here and then have the hose up to the second floor to make it more effective. However, I only have one adapter ring for this size. So for now, this one would just have to do. And I'll probably purchase another one after this. So I have it connected to my 2000 watt converter or inverter to my 5 kilowatt hour battery. My first time turning it on. Okay. Right off the bat, it's blowing cold air, or it's in AC cold mode because the blue indicator and the snowflake. So fan speed is low, medium. So there are 5 or 6 fan speed settings. I'll probably have a full blast, just maybe the max mode. How do I turn selected mode? Okay, eco, auto. I see, so there's only auto mode. All right, max fan, 68 degrees, or 66. I'll just have it in the max mode and see how effective this is. I'll give it probably an hour. All right, it's been an hour and 15 minutes since I started the setup. The internal temperature has dropped to 65 Fahrenheit, which is amazingly well in my opinion, because I had it set on 66 and it's even lower than that right now. And wow, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool up in here. Definitely, I mean, even cold, I can feel it. Yeah, this is hot, but not as hot over here. There's no hot air leak from here, which is good.